Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome everyone.
Right, if you've just seen me do the video where I've done this pen, then you'll know what this is all about. Right, so I've got the second one I'm going to do. I said I'd video, I'm going to do the second one, which is Lisa's one.
Yep.
Now this one, it's got a bit of burr in it as well here. And this has got some blue and purple. So I don't know what it's going to be like. We're going to see. But I can see the burr there. So I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it exactly the same. I'm going to use the 12mm round cutter, just standard. I don't use negative rates, just a standard one. Start with that. I might do a little bit with the R2, see what the R2 cuts it like. I've not used that on a pen before because I've never had to, so we'll give it a try and see what happens. Right, I'm going to start my lathe. Right, there we go, we're starting out. I've put a bit of router matting under my knockout bar so it shouldn't rattle this time. Right, we're going to be turning that speed up. I'm at 2.1 at the moment. I'm going to be going up higher than that. Just drink my coffee. Sorry, guys. Right, okay. Face shield on, so we're cutting resin. Well, cutting anything, face shield on. Right, here we go. Right, I'm going to turn the speed up. Right, I'm up again at 3080, should be about right. Don't sit, roll your cutter over, get on the bevel. Don't no chip out. Might see what the R2's like, give it a little try just to see. Very nice actually, very smooth. So you don't need any negative rates, not for these. Don't scrape it. Just get on that bevel. You've got a bevel there. Ride it. Look, no cutting, no cutting. Cutting. There we go. That's where it's coming into the wood. You can hear the difference between the wood and the resin. I might do this one with the R2 actually. Just finish it with the R2. It's a bit different to the other one. There we go, get rid of all that. That's it. Get that out of my way. A few little bumps there. Right, now looking at the other pen, yeah, I can leave that bulbous bit there.
Yeah, I think it looks nice, yeah.
Sorry?
It looks nice.
Yeah.
It's got shape.
Got to bring it down to that bushing. There we are. So I think there's a fraction more here. Not too bad. Just a slight bump there. Good, that got it. Right, okay. So I'm going to sand at that. Get rid of all this stuff. I might have to come down just a fraction there. It's just a fraction down. That's it. Blend that in. Right, okay, let's get the scissors out of the way. Right, okay, I'm going to do a bit dry sand first. What I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to switch my dust extractor on there, just so I can take the mask off. You take the mask off then, and I can sand this. So I'm going to go through my grits again, starting with 400 grit. This is just done dry. Yeah, keep it moving as quick as you can. Right, that's the first one. 600. Right, 800. I don't think it's a scroll, I think that's just in the thing. But whatever it is, it's gone. Right, that's it. 800,000. 2,000. 3,000. 've step there, I think that's alright. Thought I had a little bit there, but I didn't. It's alright. Right, okay. Now I'll do some wet. So turn that noise off. sorry guys, that was right in there, roll. Right, now I'll just go through my wet grits. A line in the middle, wasn't there?
Yeah, it joins the purple to the blue. See what that
burr bit looks like.
Yeah. I do like burr. We'll have to get ourselves some more burr, you know. I really like burr.
Yeah, well, when we go to
Newark.
yeah, we've got tickets going Saturday,
Okay.
Friday and Saturday. We're going there, so we'll be at Newark this.
You won't be able to miss us this time. We'll be wearing our jumpers.
I'll be wearing my sweaty hoodie, yeah. It'll have old drafty drawers on the front of it. So you'll be able to spot us this time, so you can say hello.
Yeah.
Or avoid us, whichever one you want. I used to do a lot of pens at one time. I used to sell a lot of pens, but I know I haven't for a long time. Sold every one, never got left with any. Always sold them. Yeah, I'm very sorry, I can't remember your name. I could have a look on the...
Yeah, I think I sent some clips.
If I looked through the messages, yeah, I could see who it was. I'm very sorry I forgot your name. Quite rude of me, actually. But yes, so you did say you'd like to see pens, so... I'll dry that off. And now I'll do the polish. A second. Yeah, I'll lift music. Right, okay. Tiny still a bit more. I'll let that dry. Then we buff it up. Only take a second. Oh, I know what that is. That's where the wood is.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is good for acrylic and probably not quite as good for wood. But there we go. Right, okay. Let's turn off and see what we ended up with. What did it look like? Yeah, see, I've got that bit of burr there.
Oh, that's nice. Like the purples.
Yeah.
That turquoisey colour. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's all right. What we're going to do, put that bit of wood under the clip. So then you've got that at the bottom.
I think so. Yeah, I like the blue bit
Yeah.
at the bottom.
Put the burr under the clip, I think. Right. Okay, give me a minute. Get my stuff sorted. Right, let me get my pen kit here. Right, let's put a piece of towel down first. You can come over to here.
I don't want to lose the bits.
I'll open up my vice ready. Right, let's see. Let me see. Right, okay, spring, we've got a spare refill as well. So we'll pop one back in there for now.
Gold. I wear already gold.
Right, okay. Yeah, these are nice, easy kits. I prefer these than those two pushed together, you know, do the two bits and all that. Right, so let me take this off the mandrel. That's it. Right, okay. Take that off. Pop those bits back on for now so I don't lose them. Right. There we go. So yeah, I think if I put the clip down on there.
Yeah, I think so. Right in the middle of it.
Yeah.
So you put it either side of the clip.
Right, I'm going to push this in first this time. I think. Right, so that's in like that. Now I'm just going to pop it in here. Make sure everything's straight. So it all goes in straight. You don't want it to go slanted, otherwise it could crack it. There we go. Let's push that in. Bring it back out. Now I've got to put this bit in. Got bits of stuff sticking. Static. Right, we'll go down the centre like that, yeah?
Yep.
You're happy with that, are you?
I am.
You happy?
I'm always happy.
You witnessed that, guys. She says she's happy.
I am always happy.
You are actually.
Yeah. You got to laugh at life, innit?
Out of there. Come on. A little push. Oh, there it is. Come.
Push.
Yep, that was a little bit tight just at that end, but that's all right. That's in. There we go. Right, okay. It goes in there. Spring on there. Tighten up there.
Lovely, jubbly.
Oh, very nice pen kits. I must say, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know if you'll see this, Dan, but yeah, very nice. I like your pen kits. They're very nice.
Make sure you've got a few. We'll be up soon.
Yeah, I have to come up and get some of those. And again, that's turned out
That's a really beautiful pen.
really nice.
Thank
When
you,
you look at
baby.
it, the colours that are in there.
Yeah, beautiful colours. I like that
And that
turquoise
shimmer.
sort of yeah.
Yeah, that little bit of shimmer to it.
Yeah.
A little bit of burr there. So,
That's it. Well done, Jen.
yes, well done, Jennifer. There you go. I don't know whether you want to try it.
Just sign my name. Is it I love me or I love you?
There's your pen if you want to try it out. Make sure it works all right for you.
It's a good sign.
Okay, there we go. Right, that's it, guys. Right, okay, guys, that's it. So there we go. 2 pens, courtesy of Mark and Jennifer Straughton. So thank you very much, guys.
We bought the twist ones last time, didn't we?
Yeah,
Twist.
but I
That's
prefer
nice.
these
I
ones.
prefer the click one. Yeah.
I prefer click ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're very nice pens, those.
Yeah.
I'll have to go and get some of those kits. I don't know how much they are. I can't tell you how much they are, guys, because as I said, I didn't buy them. So, maybe if Dan does watch this, I don't know whether he will, he could put a comment on and say how much they are.
Yeah.
Then people can go and buy them. Or just jump on Taylor Mirfield's site and have a look and see. There you go.
That's it.
Right, thanks for joining me, guys. Couple of pens.
Couple of pens.
There we go. Very nice looking pens indeed.
Yeah.
Right, and I will see you on the next one. So, toodle pip.
Bye, guys.